This video is about mainly the property of associativity. So, in case you have not watched the previous videos, kindly go to the previous videos for those properties which you might have missed, not understood, and keep watching again and again till you understand. Let us start with the property of associativity. Now let us check the property of associativity for rational numbers. Here are your columns, mathematical operations, numbers and remarks. Let us go to the first mathematical operation, that is addition for rational numbers, and here are the rational numbers. A is equal to half, B is equal to 3 upon 2 and C is equal to 5 upon 2. So taking A plus into brackets B plus C, 1 upon 2 plus into brackets 3 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. That will give you 1 upon 2 as it is plus. What is the LCM inside the bracket? 2. You have 3 plus 5. So it is 1 upon 2 plus 8 upon 2. LCM is 2 and 1 plus 8 is 9. So LHS is 9 upon 2. Let us take the second expression, that is A plus B in brackets and plus C outside. So 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 in brackets plus 5 upon 2 outside. That is equal to LCM of the bracket will be 2. In the numerators it will be 1 plus 3 plus the third value, that is 5 upon 2. That will give you 4 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2, that is 9 upon 2 RHS. Remember the LHS was the same. So as A plus into brackets B plus C is equal to A plus B into brackets plus C outside. What is your remark? Addition is associative for rational numbers. Now comes the second mathematical property, subtraction. And let the rational numbers be same. A is 1 upon 2, B is 3 upon 2 and C is 5 upon 2. Subtraction, let us take the left side, 1 upon 2 minus into brackets 3 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2. What will the next step be? 1 upon 2 as it is minus, LCM of the bracket is 2. In the numerator you have 3 minus 5. So 1 upon 2 as it is minus, what will the bracket be? Minus 2 upon 2, they get cancelled. That gives you 1 upon 2 plus 1 and you know that is 3 upon 2. Remember, this is the value of the LHS. Now the RHS, that is in brackets A minus B and minus C outside. So in brackets 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2 outside. LCM in the bracket is 2. In the numerator you have 1 minus 3 minus 5 upon 2 as it is. In the next step, bracket gives you minus 2 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2 as it is. 2 and 2 get cancelled. That gives 1 minus minus 5 upon 2, that is equal to 1 plus 5 upon 2. Take the LCM 2, cross multiply, it will be 2 plus 5 and RHS you get 7 upon 2. Remember the LHS, that was 3 upon 2. So both sides LHS and RHS are not equal. What does that indicate? A minus into brackets B minus C is not equal to into brackets A minus B and minus C outside. What's the remark then? The remark is subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. Let us take the third property, friends. The third property is multiplication. And the numbers are A, B and C and their values are same, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 2 respectively. Let us go to the LHS. 1 upon 2 into, in brackets, 3 upon 2 into 5 upon 2 will be equal to 1 upon 2 as it is, into brackets 3 5s are 15 upon 2 2s are 4. That gives 15 upon 8, that is the LHS. Coming to the RHS, into brackets 1 upon 2 into 3 upon 2 multiplied by 5 upon 2 outside, that is equal to, the bracket is 3 upon 4 into 5 upon 2 as it is. That gives you 3 5s are 15 upon 4 2s are 8. Oh, this is 15 upon 8. RHS is equal to LHS, as A into brackets B into C is equal to brackets A into B into C. They are equal. What is the remark? Multiplication is associative for rational numbers. Friends, the last property, the last mathematical operation, division. And let the rational numbers be A, B and C with the same values 1 upon 2, 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 2 respectively. The left side says A divided by into brackets B divided by C. Here goes the left side, half divided by into brackets 3 upon 2 divided by 5 upon 2. That is equal to half divided by into brackets 3 upon 2. Division becomes multiplication. 5 upon 2 becomes the reciprocal 2 upon 5. 2 gets cancelled. That is equal to 1 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 5. Again division becomes multiplication. 3 upon 5 becomes 5 upon 3. And the final answer is 5 ones are 5 upon 2 threes are 6. 5 upon 6. Let us go to the right hand side. In brackets A divided by B, outside the bracket divided by C, let us substitute in brackets 1 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 2, outside the bracket divided by 5 upon 2. In the brackets 1 upon 2, division becomes multiplication, 3 upon 2 becomes the reciprocal, 2 upon 3. Outside the bracket divided by 5 upon 2. Next step, 2 gets cancelled in the same bracket, giving 1 upon 3 divided by 5 upon 2 as it is. 1 upon 3 division becomes multiplication and 5 upon 2 becomes 2 upon 5, giving you the RHS as 2 upon 15. Now LHS was 5 upon 6, RHS is 2 upon 15. It means left hand side and right hand side are not equal, as A divided by into brackets B divided by C is not equal to into brackets A divided by B divided by C outside the bracket. What is the remark? Division is not associative for rational numbers. You must have very well understood the property of associativity not only for rational numbers but for other types of numbers also. In case you have not understood, keep repeating the videos, keep watching the videos again and again till you understand. This is the easiest way of understanding mathematics. We will be coming soon with the next video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, share, like and comment. Take care. See you soon.